Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here again. I'm gonna be doing a nice little quick little mod. I think this changes, a little bit of the interior, making the buttons look a little bit much more premium. So I'm gonna be adding these blue. They basically go over the existing knob or whatnot. They come with double-sided tape. I already had started peeling, so that way there's not so many struggles on the videos. So, but you basically peel it off, you just put it over, and basically that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this started, and we'll go ahead and see how this looks. So here I'm peeling the first one. And they basically just snap on. And I think it makes it look way much better. So we're gonna take different shots. Go ahead and peel the next one. So there's that. And it also comes with one for the radio. I'm gonna go ahead and add this one. And the last one. And that's how that goes. I'm gonna take a different shots close up so you guys can see how that looks. But I think it looks nice. Adds a nice little touch to it. They're made out of aluminum, so it's gives it that premium look. Again, my car is blue, so I have to go with blue. Now it matches my seatbelt, and I think it looks great. So I'm gonna go ahead and take different shots for you guys, and you guys can go ahead and see, and we'll wrap this up. Alright guys, so this is a nice little top view of the one from the center control, which is AC on and off, and the sink, so basically all the buttons for the air conditioner. And that's how those look. A nice little close-up for you guys. So just fit snug. And then here's the ones for the radio. Now I'm going to take on far shots just so you guys can see how it looks. Basically the overall from your front profile view. Anyways, guys, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Until next time, as always, like, share, and subscribe. Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very blessed day.